All right, we're here this morning, that's one, trying to use this green slime on this rototiller tire. These are slightly dry rotted. They hold air for a few days, but we're working on this, and I've done this before, but I'm having to refresh myself on it. Go ahead, hit it a couple more licks. Make sure we get enough in there. Okay.
That's 10 right there.
All right, we have pumped it 10 times, and we looked on the jug to see what kind of, and I think you just pull it off and put the valve stem back in. And normally, if it's off the rim, you can't put the valve stem in. You just have to put the one of these kind that just shoots air wholesale in there. But if it's kind of near the rim, and a regular tire inflator tool will work, you can do that, and we'll see if it will. And it will. It wasn't off of the rim so much that it wouldn't blow it up. Okay, now, great. And we're going to get the other one, both of them are flat. And then we're going to take it off, and we're going to have to run this rototiller and make the tires work so that it will goo all around it. And this is the green slime. The regular Fix-A-Flat and all, it's not thick enough to seal up the holes. You know, this stuff here, unless it's a really, really bad crack, this will do the job and get you going for a while. This gallon of this stuff, I got it at Tractor Supply yesterday. It was $32 and something plus tax. I think that
It broke.
it broke.
Yeah. The little plastic part sheared off because it wasn't turning.
There'll be another one in there.
Yeah.
All right, so this valve stem remover broke, so I'm not going to. So we got to take the valve stem out and put the green slime in, and then blow it up if it will. And
This one's being difficult.
let me try it, y'all. Let me put my fingers on it. Then if I tear it up. What, it's not there's a metal one in there.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay, about 15 minutes later, we have finally gotten the green slime in this. We had trouble getting the valve stem out of this one so we could squirt the goo in, but what happened was we used let me show you this, tell you this. We used the valve stem, go back over here. We used the valve stem tool that came with that green goo, and it's made out of plastic, and it actually tore up. And it left a piece of plastic in there, and it wouldn't come out. So we had to get a valve stem tool out of our toolbox that was made out of metal and finally get that out of there. But so these valve stem tools that come with that green goo are and it's, yes, this is valve stem tool, TOOL it says. Okay, anyway, these are cheap, so if it resists you, it is possible to tear that little plastic up and give you a hard time right there. So you may, I've never had it happen before, but it happened this time. And now we're fixing to get this tiller down, and we're going to run it and run that goo all the way around in there and get it on all the cracks and all that. That's the next step. Alright, we're back in the house here for a few minutes to wait for that tire to get ready. I want to read you John 14 from the Holy Bible. Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself, that where I am, there you may be also. Okay, that's the little scripture reading. I'm going to stick it in there between these green slime tire tutorial. That we will be able to give you an update on this in